Well, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is an update to my garage. You have seen everything before. My neighbor bought it and he cannot get it in his garage. It's 3 centimeters too high to get into his, but I don't have a problem with that. I think I got 4 meters or just over 4 meters, I think. But anyway, this is a garage update. I have bought a display cooler, and just over here I'm gonna make a coffee bar. So I'm on the run for Bauhaus to look for a kitchen countertop I can use for that. And here's my old refrigerator. I need to go to the dump with this boxes, cardboard and stuff. I got the trash bags out in the car, ready to go. But I want to show you the coffee maker I bought. Bought it used. It was really cheap. It's with Nespresso coffee capsules. I think that is called. But anyway, and I have removed the door. That door was, there you have it, was sitting there. Oh, that is an unsatisfied customer. He's waiting for his bike. He's gonna wait a long time. That's for sure. But no, just kidding. He's just left over for Halloween. Look, a little spider. They're still in. He got the Halloween spirit. But anyway, I will go for a ride, go to Bauhaus and get the last things I need and get back and put up the shelf. Like I said, I want to make that shelf right here and the coffee. I like make a coffee bar here. And there you have it. Here are the trash. Get some more diesel for the diesel heaters. And when I come back from a Bauhaus visit and trash run, I will level up this cooler and we'll see what's gonna happen. See you later. I'm headed for Bauhaus after throwing off the trash, the cardboard boxes and stuff, and now I'm going directly to Bauhaus. Let's see what I got. Yeah, and this is what I got, and only 110 crowns for this. That's a bargain. Well, I'm home again, and here's the loot. Got some snacks, postage package I had to have, and diesel in the container over there, and we got some brackets and trash bags and the plate. Let's get into the workshop. And here the diesel heater going at it. Honey, I'm home. Now I have all the materials I need. Screws and stuff I already got, but let's get to it. I'm thinking about the door here. This door, you can see here, is open to the right. I want it to open to the left, so just change those things, and the handle goes on this side. It's built for it. You've got some plugs here. You got some frets in there, I think. They have to be frets. And the bottom, change it to the other side. Nothing to it. Just do it. Ah, It's a slogan. I have managed to get so far as putting up the brackets. Um, I have mounted this in 87 centimeters height because I want the tabletop about 90. But because the tabletop is 3 centimeters thick, and I have to chop it down a little bit. It's about 80 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters deep, and I need 50 centimeters deep, so I gotta cut it down 10 centimeters. But I'm gonna do that, and I make a cutout for the cable. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm thinking about moving this apparatus here to the different side. I never use it. It's, this is only for balancing steel rims, and I have not used it much the last couple of years. But I'm thinking moving that. If I need it, I'm gonna mount it over here on the wall. Maybe there. Maybe there. I don't know. Anyway, this is not the final product, so I'm just chucking along. But I will get there eventually. But next, I got, all that number plates here is from cars I got in the past. I got, if you can see it, I got extra plates over here. And I'm gonna move it over there. Just like a theme of some kind. This is not the final product of this coffee corner we got here. Moved over the number plates over here. I'm thinking about making the door from swinging out right to swinging out left. I think that's when you're standing here and you want to get some milk for the coffee, you could just open the cooler and get the milk. And you got a trash can here as well. Sorry about that. But I'm happy with this. This is cozy. That's nice. And you got a table and 2 chairs. You sit down and take a coffee, or you could take a beverage from the refrigerator and just watch the bikes being repaired. I think I've done good for today. The coffee machine is up. I tried it. It's good. It could be better, but I think just a couple of adjustings on the settings. Yeah. And I turn around. Look at this. It closes on its own. Yeah. I'm happy about that. So the last thing is then I just have to wait for the new marquee to come in. I got the old one over here. Oh, that's dark. There you go. That's the old one. And I need your new one to come in with the company name. And that'll be great. But see you in the next video.